Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss about um, method, and we have this additional uh, parameters and arguments. So a method parameters is information can be passed to method as parameters. Parameters act as variable inside the method. So in this previous video we created a method that okay, to create a method, say static void, and we have this um, my my methods. We have this. So we have this. How do you call this? Okay. Let's be sure that our method is inside the class, and then we have this system that that print line. Um, and then we need to call this system, and then we need to create the public void static void. I mean, we have string args. Args. So to call a method, we need to call the name of the method. So we need to try this. So yan. So the method is called, and then it print out the called. So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about parameters. So in parameters, we have this. We can add this inside the parentheses. So if we my name is, we use authentication, content, we use concatenation, and then if we pass our name here, Kuya Gep, and then it will run our file, and as you can see, our parameters are we put our arguments. If this is called as arguments, and then this is called as parameters. So if we put our arguments, so that's our variable. So if we add this to our output, so if we run, it will add our we call this string. So if we add next, so if we run this file, okay, so it ran 2 times. So ayan. So okay, so we have another parameters. So we call this multiple parameters. So in this parenthesis, you can add multiple we call this variable. So change this. My name is and concatenate and age is, and we pass our age here. So in our arguments we need to add our age, and then next is if we run this file, so as you can see our name, so which is Kuya Gep, and then age is 27, channel, and yeah. So that's it for multiple parameters. So you can try, we can try more examples. So if we need to, we tried another example. Okay, so at this time we are going to create an static method which is integer na data type, and then calculate to calculate 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 so what so to calculate the int x and int y, so if we return this x plus y, so we can try this to need to calculate the 5, 4 and 5. So if we run this file, as you can see hindi siya nag-print kasi hindi natin nilagay sa system that that print ln. So ayan, so if we try this, so it prints out the calculated value. So we pass 4 and 5, and then it returns the additional calculation, so it prints 9. So that's it for the parameters and arguments. So this is we call arguments, so the data that we pass into the parenthesis or the method, and then this is the parameters that we need to add in our method or the functions. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click the subscribe and bell for the for more videos. See you on the next video.